In today's video, I'm going to teach you what you'll do. Instead of building automation workflows by hand, you'll use ChatGPT to generate them for you, and you won't need to write any code. The whole idea is to describe what you want in plain English, let ChatGPT produce an n8n workflow in JSON, and then import it directly into n8n. Start by opening ChatGPT and describing your goal as clearly as possible. Specificity makes a huge difference here. For example, you might say, create an n8n workflow that watches Gmail, summarizes new emails with AI, and saves them to Google Sheets. Add any important details you care about, like which mailbox to watch, what columns you want in Sheets, or how you want the summary formatted. The clearer your instructions, the better the workflow will match your needs. Next, ask ChatGPT to deliver the result in the exact format n8n expects. You can say, generate the workflow in n8n JSON format, ready to import. ChatGPT will return a block of JSON, which is essentially a blueprint of your workflow. Make sure you copy everything from the opening brace to the closing brace. If the output is collapsed, expand it before copying so you don't miss anything. Now switch to n8n. Open your workspace, click the three dots in the top bar, and choose Import from Clipboard. Paste the JSON you just copied, then click Import. Within a moment, the workflow should appear on your canvas, complete with nodes, connections, and basic settings carried over from the JSON. Before running anything, connect your credentials. Open each node that needs access and link the correct accounts, such as your Gmail, Google Sheets, and your AI provider like OpenAI. Most setup issues happen at this stage, so look for red warning icons and resolve them one by one. Be sure your accounts have the right permissions, and avoid pasting any sensitive tokens into prompts or notes. When the warnings are gone, test the flow. Click Execute Workflow and watch each node run in sequence. Check the output data on each node to confirm you're getting the summaries and sheet rows you expect. If everything works, click Activate so it can run automatically going forward. If something breaks, return to ChatGPT and say, fix this n8n workflow. Here is the error message. Paste the exact error text. ChatGPT will usually adjust the JSON for you. Re-import the updated version, test again, and you're done.